Hello and welcome to the Crypto World Evolution Overview. Our company, Crypto World Evolution, was started in August of 2017, operates in over 80 countries worldwide and on 6 different continents, doing over $500 million in trading assets and growing with millions of trades executed. We are currently the world's largest provider of cryptocurrency trading software. The cryptocurrency marketplace has been going through unprecedented growth over the last few years. Earlier in 2018, the world market cap reached just over $500 billion and is projected by many experts to double, triple, or even quadruple that over the next 12 to 24 months. The question becomes, how do we participate in that cryptocurrency marketplace? And there's several ways, whether it's mining, buying and holding, or trading the different cryptocurrencies. And anytime you deal in a speculative marketplace like cryptocurrency, there's risk involved. But with that risk comes some unbelievably high rewards, and maybe none greater than in the trading marketplace. The problem with trading cryptocurrencies, though, is that it seems and sounds very easy. Buy low and sell high. But it's just not that easy. Figuring out what to buy can be difficult. When to buy it is even harder. And for even professional traders, when to sell is maybe the most difficult piece of all. And that's where Crypto World Evolution comes into play. CWE offers artificial intelligent trading software that will buy and sell cryptocurrencies on our behalf. It'll help us maximize our trading experience and save a ton of time doing the buying and selling. The other thing that's great about CWE is we control our Bitcoin at all times. The bots only perform the trades, and we never have to send our cryptocurrency to CWE. So many companies in this industry unfortunately require their clients to send all their Bitcoins and all of their cryptocurrencies to that company. And they'll do the mining or they'll do the trading, and we pray and hope that they send us back the profits. With CWE, we don't have to do that. Unfortunately, so many companies over the last couple of years have not honored their end of the promise. They haven't sent back those profits. They haven't sent back the principal. With CWE, the funds remain in your personal exchange 100% of the time, and you can reap the rewards of the trading software every single second within your own personal exchange. And the results honestly speak for themselves. Just in February of 2018, there were 17,000 plus active customers. Over 54,000 total bots were created, 3.9 million total transactions, and there was a 99.16 positive closing percentage. The bottom line is, when a human being tries to compete against artificial intelligence, the artificial intelligence is usually going to win. And in this case, it wins in a big, big way. So what kind of software does CWE offer? There's 3 main platforms. There's a hybrid trading platform, an HPSI platform, and a win-win platform. To go in depth into each of these, the hybrid platform basically factors in your judgment and directions. You can pick the coin you want that hybrid software to invest in, set a stop loss, set the price you want to buy it at, set a stop profit that you want it to achieve before it'll sell out, and it'll only sell when it achieves the parameters you've set for it. This software, it's geared for intermediate to expert cryptocurrency traders. It definitely requires the most management of the CWE trading bots, but it also can yield some of the greatest returns of the CWE trading bots. To set up a hybrid bot is fairly simple within our software. You select the coin you want to invest in. It'll pull up the market price, and you can adjust it to the buy price that you prefer. You can set your stop loss, set the amount of Bitcoin that you want to invest in that one single trade, and then set the stop profit percentage that you want to hit before that hybrid bot will sell off and take the profit. Once you click set up that hybrid bot, it will go into action. and it will start to trade according to the parameters that you set. Now, that doesn't guarantee every time a trade executes it will be profitable, but what it means is it will not sell until it hits the profit that you set, the stop profit level that you set, or it won't sell until it hits the stop loss that you set if it does take a loss. So that's the hybrid bot, again, geared for intermediate to advanced cryptocurrency traders. And we also have several trainings that will help a beginning trader transition to become an intermediate and even an advanced trader if they choose to do so. The next platform is the HPSI bot. That trades Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies that are available within your personal exchange. The historical transaction statistics can be found on the company website. It's geared for risk-tolerant beginners and also intermediate and expert cryptocurrency traders. The HPSI bot operates with high risk and very high reward depending on the market conditions. It's fully automated. It does all the buying and all the selling on your behalf. So to set it up is pretty simple. You click onto your trading center and click Add Robot, give it a name. The pull-down menu will let you select the personal exchange that you use, the API key that allows your exchange to communicate with the software. You select the type of robot. In this situation, you would select an HPSI. And finally, you select the amount of Bitcoin you would like to invest. The minimum being 0.01 BTC, all the way up to your maximum trading limit, depending on the package that you have. Once you click Add Robot, the HPSI goes into action. It will automatically choose 15 of the higher market cap coins to start trading. Now, if you're a beginning trader, we recommend that you just leave these coins in here and let the software do its thing. If you're an intermediate or an advanced trader, you can actually add coins, change these coins out. And again, we have some great training available for beginning traders that do want to transition and learn how to pick different coins, when to trade them out, when to add more, and when not to do that. Once these 15 or more coins are selected within the software, the bot will start asking questions. And it's going to ask questions about Cardano in this example, about Bitcoin Gold, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic, Ripple, Zcash, Litecoin. And it's asking questions like, what's the price? And it's going to update those questions and answers in under a millisecond as it communicates with your personal exchange. It's going to ask what the historical pricing has been. What was the price 1 minute ago? What was the price 5 minutes ago? What was the price 5 hours ago, 5 days ago, 5 weeks, or even months ago? What's the trend look like? It's asking questions about the charts, about the future trend. Does it look like it's going up? Does it look like it's trending down? What's the bid and what's the ask on this coin? And it's asking that question and receiving answers in under a millisecond over and over and over again. It's asking questions of social media. If we're looking at Litecoin, it's asking how many people just tweeted about Litecoin in the last 15 minutes? How many people just did a Google search on Litecoin in the last half hour? And when the bot receives the answers that it's looking for, it will trigger a purchase and it will buy that coin. In this example, if it buys Litecoin, which it did there earlier as you look down, it will hold on to that trade until at least 1% profit or more is achieved. Now, again, that doesn't guarantee every trade is profitable, but the software will hold on to that coin if it goes down, and it will never sell out at a loss unless you manually force it to sell out at anything less than 1% profit or more. The HPSI bots are an amazing bot. There's certain times you should have them on, and there's certain times you should have them off, depending on the marketplace. High risk, high reward, but it's fully automated. It's something that anyone can set up, whether you're a beginner or an expert level trader. The last platform is the win-win bot. This win-win bot trades solely between Bitcoin and USDT, also known as Tether. The transaction statistics for this bot are on the website. It's suitable for all traders with or without any experience. It's the most easy bot to set up and manage, and the risk with the win-win bot is lower than all of the other trading bots and platforms offered by CWE. To set up a win-win bot is fairly simple. You give it a name, select the exchange and API key, and then select the win-win bot. The win-win bot will utilize 0.175 Bitcoin total. And what it does is it basically micro trades with that amount of Bitcoin. They're offering some newer platforms that are just coming out that will let you trade 1 Bitcoin at a time with the win-win bot to make it a little more aggressive than the 0.175 Bitcoin win-win bot. Once you click add robot, that win-win bot is going to micro trade over and over and over again. Depending on the market, there's days where it won't complete a trade, and there's other days where we'll have 20 plus trades completed. The win-win bot is for any level of trader, especially beginners and people that do not want to spend a lot of time managing and watching their trading software in action. A lot of people, when they see the software, they wonder, how can I get my hands on it? And CWE has 4 software packages that are available for our clients. The Trade Pack and the Trade 8 Pack on the left side of the screen are geared for more people that want to manage their software, people that maybe want to learn how to become an intermediate or an advanced trader. Maybe you're already an intermediate or an advanced expert trader. Those 2 bots are great platforms for people that want to manage and keep an eye on the software as it helps them increase their cryptocurrency net worth. The Trade Win and the Trade 8 Win on the right side of the screen are geared more for folks that maybe they're too busy to sit in front of a computer screen. They don't have the time, the desire, the knowledge to really become an expert trader. They don't want to do that. The Trade Win and the Trade 8 Win are platforms that are set up for people that really want to be passive and just let the software do the heavy lifting on their behalf. To go into each of these packages, the Trade package allows our clients to utilize 2 of the platforms, the hybrid and the HPSI platform. It'll allow a client to trade up to $2,500 at one time. It utilizes all of the different cryptocurrencies selected in their personal exchange that they want to trade, and it gives you a 1-year license for 500 PV. PV is equivalent to US dollars, so for $500, a client can trade up to $2,500 at one particular time with these 2 platforms, the hybrid and the HPSI. CWE also charges a 20% weekly commission of the net profits. They invoice our clients for that. Every single platform has that 20% weekly commission. It goes, half of it goes to the programmers and the professional traders that help update and maintain the bots and help release new platforms. And the other half goes to what we call our independent software partners. And I'll explain what that means and why it's very exciting for a lot of people that are partnered with CWE. So for $500, the Trade Pack is the first level pack that CWE offers. The next level is the Trade 8 Pack. Again, this is a package that's geared for someone that wants to be more active and manage their trading software. It'll allow a client to trade up to $10,000 at one particular time. It offers all 3 of the platforms, the hybrid, the HPSI, and the win-win platform. You can get a 1-year license for only $2,000 US. That's one of the best-selling packages that we have currently. The next 2 packages are geared for people, again, that want to be more passive. They just kind of want to set it up and let the software do the work for them. The Trade Win Pack will allow a client to trade 5 win-win bots at one time. The cost of that is $1,000 US for a 365-day license. And again, this is the type of software platform where you can just set it up and let the software go to work. The last package is the Trade 8 Win Pack. Again, one of our best-selling packages. It'll allow people to trade 11 win-win bots at 0.175 Bitcoin. It's going to upgrade very soon to allow people who want to trade 1 Bitcoin at a time to do that as well. You can get a 1-year license, 365-day license for only $2,000 US, and the results really speak for themselves on the win-win pack. The win-wins close at over 99% every month for over 1 year that this bot has been active and has been in testing. The results really do get a lot of people excited about the software that CWE offers. And if you utilize the software and get excited about it, you might think of some other people in your life that would be excited to utilize this same type of software. And if that's something you're interested in, you can actually become what we call an independent software partner. And if you start to refer this software or refer this opportunity to others, you can actually yield some pretty impressive returns and income from the CWE compensation plan. If you want to become an independent software partner, whoever invited you to this overview can send you a referral link, and then you have a couple options to get started. You basically get started for free, and you have 24 hours to do what we call become qualified. You have 24 hours to qualify and officially be a part of the CWE family. The way to qualify is to sell a customer one of the 4 software packages that CWE offers. If you sell someone the trade 500, the trade pack for $500, you become what we call a miner. If you sell the trade win pack to a customer for $1,000, you become what we call a win miner. If you sell either the trade 8 or the trade 8 win package, you will become a pro miner or a win pro miner. There are some financial advantages for if you are a pro miner or a win pro miner. So finding a customer that buys one of those 2 packages is very ideal. The best news, though, is you can become your own customer. You can pick the package you want and start utilizing the software for yourself. And that's what most of our partners decide to do. Purchase their own package, experience the software for themselves. Once you get your package, you will have your customer link that you can utilize to acquire as many customers as you want, as fast as you want. And you'll have the ability to recruit partners using your referral link, and you can recruit as many partners as you want, as quickly as you want. If you do those 2 things, there's some substantial compensation that's offered to all of our independent software partners. The compensation plan pays us 4 different ways. The first is retail profits. If you introduce a customer to the software and they buy it, you get a 15% direct bonus when that software purchase is made. If you introduce a partner who buys the software and they introduce another partner who buys the software, there's indirect sales that pay a percentage as well. Those bonuses pay out daily. We also have a binary team building pay, where if you have a strong background in recruiting and team building, you can actually earn several $1,000s a day depending on what pack you come in at. The binary pays out daily. For the miners, it pays up to $2,500 a day. For a win miner, the binary can pay up to $5,000 a day. And for the pro miner and the pro win miner, it can pay up to $10,000 a day. Now, there's no guarantee that you'll make that kind of money, but there are people in the company who are capping out the binary pay at the pro miner and pro win miner levels. So it is doable. So the binary and the retail profits pay daily. Then we have the matrix profits that pay out weekly. The matrix is a percentage of your entire organization's trading profits. Remember that trading commission that all of our clients pay to the company, that 20% that goes to the company, half of that goes to the trading professionals, the programmers that are helping with the software and updating the bots and running the functions and the scripts. The other half of that feeds into the matrix, and you can make a percentage off all of the trading that's going on worldwide within your organization. Last but certainly not least, there's a leadership pool that pays out monthly. The company takes its global revenues of every software package that's purchased in a month, and it takes 8% of that global revenue and shares it with the leadership pool. So if you have a strong background in not only recruiting and team building, but managing and training those organizations and building them really strong and stable sales organizations, you can participate every single month in the revenue sharing leadership pools. That's the compensation plan. And last but not least is really doing things the right way. CWE is highly focused on compliance. Will never guarantee the returns a customer can expect in trading. The Crypto World Evolution company does not control the market, so we can never guarantee returns on investment. ISPs can share what has happened with their results, but that doesn't guarantee you'll have the same results they've had, and it doesn't guarantee the future for anybody. We want our ISPs to understand the software and the company thoroughly before presenting this opportunity to people. Everyone should be honest, sincere, and remember, we're here to help people utilize our amazing software to begin trading in the cryptocurrency marketplace. Compliance is a top priority for our company, and we must all work together to ensure our opportunity is presented the right way. If you're sitting where many people are sitting and they're tired of watching friends and maybe even family members create wealth in the cryptocurrency marketplace, it's time to get off the sidelines and get into the game. Go ahead and make a decision to get partnered up with CWE. I can promise every one of you that is watching this overview that there's going to come a point in all of our lives where we have to make an important decision about our future, a decision about our goals, about our dreams, about our aspirations. Don't be like so many people in the world who run away from the opportunity to do something truly great with their lives. You need to make a decision, you need to make it with confidence, and you need to make the right one. Get off the sideline, get partnered up with CWE, start taking advantage of the cryptocurrency revolution that's happening around us right now, and I promise it will be one of the best financial decisions you'll ever make in your life.